Correct? Does it make sense?
Any other source is not there. Rising main is coming.
Okay, from more full scenario.
Yeah, they are more full scenario,
That's it.
so that they can control the BFD.
Is it okay now, right? Okay.
They have to provide that the more flow is coming.
Yeah.
Our action is by them.
By SOP, by opening, closing, someone. Yeah. But communication should be there.
Communication.
Yeah.
They are giving us class number. They are saying that there is nothing is there. So they should give the class number according to their guide.
Yeah.
Because pure water has to reply all the fraud.
Yeah.
Okay. That's one will cover.
Absolutely. Okay.
That can give the class. If it is there, then we will provide. Other otherwise you reply it's required not as per contract because you have to reply for in that you
and then you let me know
provide
close it
with
there,
reference
then I can put the close
as per contract. So that is not available. It
Okay, guys, so
add on cost. This
we have seen note 2.
You should get.
Okay. Not good, huh? Not good.
I am silent. I am silent.
Actually, either he's learning or he's explaining. Okay, guys. So now we are going for note 3. So who will explain note 3?
Yes.
One note composition. Go to the composition.
Composition, yeah. It didn't concern? I don't think concern.
Because recycling, they are back to enough space, so that will to be changed to the balancing. That's why need to be highlighted. Right?
See, I think that will cover in the chemical routine all this thing.
You are recycling, Ahmed.
It is